Hi Sagittarius, this is a general reading for the week of 26th of April to 2nd of May. Please keep in mind this general reading that might not resonate with each one of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that we can meet next week and you don't miss any videos of mine. Let's see what your week has. Hope your last week was good. So I see you in the Queen of Swords energy, which you don't see is the Four of Pentacles. Okay, you're holding on to something which is making you indecisive, and your angels are asking you to not be in this Queen of Swords energy. Don't be very self-righteous. Don't be very, oh, I know everything. I don't need to learn anything. I think this is a week where I think everybody needs to work on themselves this week, and things will definitely be good because judgment is here, and this indecisiveness will prove to bring you towards the right path. But this energy which you are in right now is not serving you anything. Let's see what the major arcana card has. Yeah, so I chose to shuffle a lot and then I got devil. So yes, this is toxic for you, which the state you are in right now. It is not serving you, like I said. All this is in your mind, and I think I'm sorry to say that. Please don't, kill the messenger. This is what is right now. The state that you are in is your doing, is your state of mind, which has got you where you are right now. The angels are asking you to release the state of mind, let go, because it's not serving you any good. I don't see any good coming out of the state of mind, Sagittarians. Let's see what the love messages are. Love doesn't have to be mean near. For some of you who are really, really in the state of mind because they can't meet their loved ones because of what's going on in the world. So it says that love doesn't mean that you need to be near those. Those you love you. So yes, what I think you're really, really worried about what is going on around you. Time to make a demonstration. So again, long distances work as long as you guys really, really are committed and this is committed and really want each other. Also, for people who are not sure whether the love will be reciprocated, this is a message which says that yes, your love will be reciprocated. You don't need to worry about it. And time to make a demonstration means that things will definitely change once you get out of this state of mind that you're in, which is not serving you, which is not serving people near you. It is making your situation very toxic, very negative. To get out of it, and let us see one more message. I chose love. I choose love no matter what. So yes, um, just don't let go of all the worries. Let go of all the negativity, so that love is the only thing which is left at the end of the day. Let's see how you can handle the situation. Let's see how you can handle the situation. Exclusively surrender to Krishna. This is for Indians if they know, but for those of you who don't understand the Hindu mythology, this is for whatever God you believe in, surrender to them. Don't control. The need to control every situation, the need to be in charge of every situation always leads to disappointments because nothing is in our hands, right? We can only put efforts and then leave the results to the Lord or the universe, whosoever you believe in. So you need to surrender this whole situation in the hands of the one that you believe in, the one that we all believe in. And I think I think the best message you could have gotten, this week, because you're really in a very mentally, you're very, very tired. You're mentally in a very, not a very good state. So just surrender all your worries to the universe, and universe will, or the Lord will definitely. And this has worked with me. I just ask the universe to take care of things, and I get, universe really, really listens to me because I surrender. I don't take charge. I don't think that, oh my God, what will I do next? Yes, we need to put efforts, but then, after the efforts, we need to really control our minds, the state of mind, and we really need to trust the process. Trust what we have asked for will be completed. That is the art of surrendering, and the art of surrendering really gets us to where we really want to go. I hope I made sense, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I'll be posting the monthly ones very soon, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.